In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get featured on LinkedIn. Starting off, we're going to navigate our way through the LinkedIn website. It's pretty straightforward. Head over to LinkedIn and sign in with your Google account, or just continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Occasionally, LinkedIn strengthens their security by asking for a CAPTCHA verification. So don't be surprised if you bump into one. It's all about keeping your account safe and secure. Once you're logged in, take a glance at the top right corner of the home page, where you'll see your profile photo. If you don't have one set up yet, I highly recommend it. It adds a personal touch and makes your profile stand out. But back to the task at hand, go ahead and click on that photo. After clicking your profile photo, a drop-down menu should appear. Here you'll find the View Profile option, and I want you to click on it. Seeing your profile in full view will give you a good idea of what others see when they visit your page, and it's also where we're going to make some important tweaks. Next step, you're looking for the Add Profile section button. It's usually right beneath your profile summary. Finding this button might feel like a mini treasure hunt, but it plays a crucial role in customizing and enhancing your LinkedIn profile. Now here comes the fun part, deciding what to feature on your profile. LinkedIn offers various categories to choose from, whether it's your work experience, volunteer activities, education, or something else that showcases your professional journey. Take your time to think about what highlights you want others to see first. Add in some compelling details about your chosen feature. These could be achievements in a particular role, specific projects you've worked on, or even a certification that you're proud of. Once you're happy with what you've put together, hit the save button. Remember, updating your LinkedIn profile is not just about adding new roles or skills. It's also about curating a professional story that represents who you are and what you bring to the table. The sections you choose to feature can significantly impact how you're perceived by potential employers, collaborators, or even mentors. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to getting yourself featured on LinkedIn. This simple process not only enhances your visibility, but also showcases your professional capacity in a more engaging way. Keep your profile updated, and don't be afraid to highlight your achievements. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital portfolio after all. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more tips on how to navigate and utilize LinkedIn to your advantage.